Hello, my name is Jessica Pais. I am going to give answer to question. If I could have any job, I think I would like to be a pilot. I think this because I enjoy visiting other countries. I like the view from the sky. Another reason is that not everyone can fly a plane, and it is also a very well-paid profession. I think the most important job I have had was working in a environmental sanitation of the San Felix Hospital in La Dorada, Cali, because I meet many people from the area and was able to learn about some process on food safety and health, and especially the water treatment for human consumption. Thank you and bye.